She was only seconds away from becoming the champion until someone destroyed her skates. Everyone cheered for the winner. But nobody knew the old janitor was once a skating legend.
That girl has incredible control. She doesn't skate like a beginner at all.
All right, just one more perfect lap. I can do this. Look at that outfit. Did she borrow it from the Lost and Found box? Maybe she spent all her money on those skates instead of buying decent clothes.
Make way for the real stars, country bumpkin. This lane is for serious skaters, not for beginners.
You skated right into me. You didn't have to do that.
Then don't stand where the winners practice, loser.
No way! That poor little rat can't take my spot.
Oh no!
Seriously? Watch where you're going, old man. Couldn't you be more careful? They should probably hire someone younger.
I'll clean it up right now.
Let me help you with that. The floor is slippery. Someone might fall.
Kind girl. Aren't you afraid your hands will get cold?
It's okay. I practice on the ice every day. This little bit of cold is nothing compared to the falls during practice. Well, Lily, maybe mopping the floor is your true talent. Lily is too fast. You need to ruin her skates before the race. She cannot win tomorrow's race.
Pip, that's too dangerous. What if she gets seriously hurt? The coach could ban us from competing forever.
This is the limited edition console you couldn't even dream of buying. Do this, and it's yours.
All right. But only this once.
Very good. Then Lily's little dream will end tomorrow. All right. Stay calm, Lily. I just need to focus. With this damaged blade edge, she won't be able to balance on the curve. Ready to lose in front of everyone? I'm ready to skate my best.
The race begins!
Thank you all for your support. This victory was meant to be. I don't understand. I did everything right. Maybe I wasn't born for this sport. Maybe talent doesn't matter if people like Pip always win.
You did better than I expected. Lily will never know what happened. Obviously. Who do you think I am? Without that little flaw, she might have actually won.
They ruined it. But I can't prove anything.
Evidence is important. But so is what you do next. If you want, I can teach you how to skate.
You can teach me? You know about ice skating?
Actually, I'm a former figure skater, you know?
You are the 3-time national champion. I've watched all your races online.
You were sabotaged, Lily. But your dream hasn't been crushed yet.
Are you serious? You'll really help me?
You helped me pick up those ice shavings. Now I'll help you pick up your dream. If you still want to skate, I will coach you.
Thank you. This ice is too hard to skate on. I feel a little scared.
Good. Smooth ice teaches speed, but bad ice teaches control. Get up again. Do it again.
Coach, my legs hurt so much I can barely feel anything anymore.
Good. That means you are getting stronger. Champions aren't made from easy days.
All right, just one more time.
Faster! Don't even think about falling!
Look, Noah, she's training with the old janitor on that filthy pond.
Don't look at him. Keep going.
These are...
Good skates mean nothing without courage. But I think you are finally ready for both.
Thank you. I will do my best.
Then put them on and fly, Lily.
Did you think you could fool me, loser? I know you've been secretly training with that pathetic old janitor.
That's none of your business. Leave me alone.
My dad is the biggest sponsor of this arena. Listen closely. If you don't voluntarily withdraw from the race tomorrow, I will have the manager fire old Arthur immediately. He will lose his job. Choose your race or that old man's livelihood.
My honor does not lie in a mop, and her dream is not something for sale.
You did nothing wrong, Lily. Never let your kindness become a weakness for others to exploit. You have shed blood and tears on the worst ice. Do not give up because of empty threats. Tomorrow, let your skates do the talking for you.
Thank you, Coach Arthur.
Just cut the laces one last time.
Not today, kid.
Please, sir. I haven't done anything.
This is your last chance to tell the truth. Don't turn yourself into someone who lives in regret.
How is she even back? Nice new skates. Ready to lose again, loser? Just wait and see. This time, I'm taking the cup back.
Racers, ready!
And the winner of today's race is Lily!
Thank you everyone for cheering for me today. But more than anyone, I want to thank Coach Arthur for always believing in me and helping me.
She cheated. That old man cheated too. Strip her of her medal.
Noah, do you want to tell the truth?
Pip told me to ruin Lily's skates before the first race. She promised to give me this gaming console.
Today, she even told me to cut Lily's skate laces.
No! He's lying! I didn't do anything!
And Noah Blake, you two need to come with us for an investigation regarding the sabotage of the competition.
Thank you for trusting and helping me.